Do you know how to get silky gorgeous hair every time? Simply by blow drying your hair with this hair dryer from Nova. Hi everyone, I am Vinita and today we will be looking at the foldable hair dryer from Nova, model number NHP 8100. Provided us with this single page manual and it contains all the important information, so make sure you read this once before using the dryer. Now this is the Nova's foldable hair dryer. It's in black color and it has a beautiful glossy finish. One unique feature of this dryer is it has a foldable handle. You can fold it like this and then you can open it like this. So this ensures easy storage while traveling. The body of this dryer is light in weight, it's compact and portable, so it's super easy to handle. Now if you look at the concentrator of this dryer, it's narrow in shape and it has a detachable front part. This will help you style your hair better and for touch-ups. So if you look inside the concentrator, there's a good gap between the fan and the front part of the concentrator, so your hair won't get stuck to the fan, which is a very good feature. Now on the center of this handle, there's the power button. You can use it to switch on the dryer and change the temperature modes. There are two temperature modes provided, hot and cold, so this dryer is suitable for both summers and winters. Now at the bottom of this handle, there's a rubber hook provided for storage purpose, so you can hang this dryer anywhere you want to. If I go to the cable of this dryer, it's strong, flexible and thick, and it's 1.8 meters in length, which is very convenient to use. If we talk about the performance, this is a 1200 watt powered hair dryer. It gives 60 degrees Celsius standard constant temperature and ensures a long lasting blow dry. Also, this hair dryer provides overheat protection, which simply means that your hair will never get burned. So this is 100% safe to use. As far as I have used this dryer, it gives gentle drying, so your hair will never get rough. What's more, it also comes at a very reasonable price. So in my opinion, this dryer is a great dryer for everyday use. It's compact, it's foldable, it's budget friendly and it's efficient in performance. So this hair dryer from Nova is worth trying.